Did you hear about the monk who went to have a pizza? And the guy said, "Which kind would you like, sir?" And he said, "Make me one with everything." A lot of times people come to me and they ask me, can we have a pizza? Can we have samosa? Can we have jalebi? Of course, you can have everything. You can have anything that you want to have, provided you understand what its consequences are to your body. You know that over time, making such choices is not good for you. You know that. Even a child knows that. But when you start making healthier alternatives, you will find that you yourself will not have as much of a craving for some of these foods over time. Because as your palate cleanses and as you come off the extremely intense taste of high sugar, high fat, high salt and high chemical additives and substances, you will start to not like these foods anymore and in fact start liking the fresher taste of some of the foods. But until that happens and until the time that you still get a craving to eat something unhealthy every once in a while, I would say if it's really disturbing you and you're obsessing about it, it's better to have it than to try and stop yourself from having it, because anything that you resist persists. So the question that you can ask yourself is, do I really, really, really want to have it? I call it the 3 really question. And if the answer at the end of 3 reallys is, yes, I really do want to have it, just have it and enjoy it and eat it mindfully. Which means make sure you extract every bit of taste and you're aware of that food on your tongue and in your mouth, and you extract maximum pleasure from eating that food. And after you've eaten it, just sit with it and see how it feels in your body, so that you allow your body to get some feedback about this food and how it feels in your body. And if you feel completely comfortable and it feels okay, wonderful. And if it doesn't feel that comfortable, you can just give a gentle affirmation to your body or a gentle suggestion to your body and say, this is how it feels, so that it remembers. And next time, once again, you are in the grip of such a temptation and you feel like eating unhealthy, the body might remind you. And as I said, over time, your taste buds will de-addict from these intense tastes and you might start making healthier choices because you want to eat it. And let me tell you, it won't be long before you actually start craving for mangoes and strawberries and cucumbers. Yes, it can happen. And I wish you good luck with that.